On this episode of Dropping Motors, we're prepping the frame of this 64 C10 Chevy. In order to pull the car in the garage, we had to manually maneuver the tires since the truck doesn't have steering wheel. Once we got the truck inside, we snatched the hood off and got to work. Mr. C had to take off some of the older, outdated pieces under the hood. You know, you got to snatch out all that rotten stuff, all them nasty pipes, everything, all them hoses, everything got to go. Mr. C doing it fast because we speeded him up. After removing those pieces and checking out placement for other parts, Mr. C sprayed the frame and the firewall with a fresh coat of black paint. The next day, Mr. Carr got inside the frame to get it prepped and ready for the motor to be dropped in. Make sure you tune in to the next episode and see what we're dropping inside this beautiful painted frame.
I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe to our YouTube channel ASAP. Go on a journey with us. New episodes releasing every Tuesday.